Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 70. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet app. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, passes, and then you can go to menu. From the menu you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup where you can check if NFC is on, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can set a payment card and set Google Pay as your default. Then you can check full list of participating banks and manage passwords in Password Manager. Next you can go to your data in wallet, when you can manage payments data and passes data. And you can go to wallet settings, when you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Next, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.